we are leaving the building. So we spent what? How many days we spent here? In 2 nights.
3 nights.
3 nights.
3 nights.
3 nights
Alaminos.
on Bolo Beach, Alaminos.
Yeah.
We have done the 100 islands. We spent the day on Bolo Beach. Now we are going to head towards Tondol White Beach, I think. Hopefully we can find some accommodation there pretty decent. Accommodation here has been pretty okay though.
The room is nice. We've had like a bucket shower or whatever they're called, like where you have like a pan of water, and but we've had no running water, so we haven't had a shower, so we stink. And so we just want a shower. Like as long as the accommodation has a shower, we don't really care. Well, we do care, but like that's kind of our priority, is to find something with a shower, because this has no running water. None of the taps work.
They decide to work when they want.
Yeah,
basically.
they're very temperamental, and then when it does come on, it's like you have to run around to get wet for about a week. So we just want a shower. We're gonna go and have some food.
Find some Wi-Fi. Try and get this video up.
Yeah.
We've had no Wi-Fi here.
Had no Wi-Fi for about a week, actually.
We've struggled, didn't we?
Places that we've, yeah, and when you do what we do, kind of needed a little bit of internet every now and again. So that's kind of the mission of the morning, is to find some internet and eat some food. Barney's Cottage. Is that what it's called?
I think so, yeah.
Are you Neve, lady? Are you Neve?
The rooms are really nice though.
The room is pristine. It's very clean, all white, so it's lovely. The bed's comfortable. You get a good amount of pillows, aircon or fan, depending on whether you're upstairs or downstairs. It's just the water that is a little annoying, because obviously it's hot all day. It's so sweaty, and then you've got the seawater all over you, and you just want a nice little shower, but the water just was, nope, not having it. You can stink.
We had a massive big water container though for our drinking water.
Yeah, we didn't have to buy any big or small bottles of water, because you know the big blue canisters where you turn it to open, they gave us one of them when we first arrived, so that lasted us the whole time, and still a little bit left.
We took it on the boat trip and everything.
We did, yeah. On the boat trip, we've done it true Filipino style, because we always see Filipinos going about with these big massive water canisters, and we just don't know where they are or where you get them, but we had one when we came here, so it's been nice. But we're off. Next stop, Anda, right?
Next stop, Shakey's.
Shakey's. We'll go to Shakey's. Wait till you see what we're about to eat.
Guys, we've just been driving, right? And they've taken the whole road and filled it with rice. So now we've got a little slot of road here, like, to drive down, but the whole road.
Potential that I'm driving right over your car right now.
Cody's driving over the rice, guys.
I have to? Breathe in then.
Terrible.
Like, what do you expect?
Why did they do that? That is crazy. Okay, the truck gives 0 cares in the world. He just drove straight over their rice.
Oh, got myself a little tuna salad.
That does look good though.
And a lemon iced tea.
We're in Shakey's, if you haven't guessed already. Waiting for my pizza right now. Oh, we went up 1%. Oh, we're exporting. Oh, we're uploading the video. It's on 1%. It's been sitting here for about 10 minutes. It's fair to say this video is not going up today. How do you think of Shakey's food so far? Because there ain't much left of it. I guess that means you've enjoyed it.
It's only a little bowl though. But it's nice.
Really nice. Cody ordered onion rings, thinking she'd get like 5 or 6. She's got like half a vegetation, half a farm. Oh my goodness.
Wow. They're legit onion rings, them as well.
They are proper onion rings.
I don't know what to do with them. I don't know whether to eat them or climb them. Wrap one around my waist and jump in a pool, I'm not sure.
Damn, son. Oh guys. Shakey's is looking absolutely spectacular. Someone's eyeing up my pizza.
I'm trying to be good.
No, you're not having none. Get your paws off. Watch her sniff my pizza, guys. Watch. You always does it.
I was actually gonna do it.
I know you was gonna do it. 1 hour drive to Tondol.
There we go.
Back on the road again.
Story of my life in this driving seat.
She said to me, I love driving. I'll drive. 2 weeks later, she hates driving. She's
I
sick
do
of it.
like driving. But this year he didn't give me an option.
No, I
It
didn't.
was
You
just-
said about the car.
And he said that he would have a go, so he would learn the automatic for when I get tired.
I
He
did
did.
not. Not
He
at home. I
did.
didn't.
You said it when we got here.
Nope.
You did.
Changed my mind. You wanted to drive. You got your wish. Enjoy it.
I don't like your attitude the last couple of days, to be honest.
I like it being in the passenger seat. It's
Yeah.
enjoyable.
I'm not speaking to you.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight.
Now the fun begins, guys. We've got to find somewhere to stay that has Wi-Fi. We're on the Wi-Fi hunt this time.
Yeah.
Looks nice though. There's quite a lot of resorts here in Tondol. So we're on the hunt for Havana, I think it was called.
Kafana.
Kafana.
Kafana has Wi-Fi. We're looking for you.
We are looking for you. So, guys, after about an hour driving around, we finally found a place to stay for the next 2 nights.
Don't ask us what it's called. We don't know.
We have no idea what the
Don't
name
ask
of
us
it
where
is,
it is. We don't know that either.
but we will get the name for you
And I'll tell you something
soon.
for nothing. This is the comfiest bed I've slept in since we left England. I haven't slept yet, but I'm telling you now it's going to be. This is a comfy mattress.
It is very expensive around Central Luzon. It's very expensive.
Accommodation is expensive. Food's not expensive. Accommodation is expensive though, isn't it?
Yeah, you're looking at like in
Averagely.
Pandakit, that was pretty cheap. That I think we had a room there for
We had
1,300.
Yeah.
But in Bolinao
That
and
was 1,000. But that was the cheapest though. We literally drove around for ages to find that.
yeah, we had to find we had to do a lot of driving to find that 1,000 per night in Bolinao.
Yeah.
But when we left to go to, where did we go to after that? Where did we just leave?
Bolo Beach.
Bolo Beach,
Alaminos.
Alaminos. That was expensive. That was like 2,000 to 2,500 on average.
Average, because it did go up to 3.5 for some of them were starting price for. Where are we now?
We are in
Anda.
Anda Island, and everything here is also around 2k to 2.5k.
Starting price.
We are paying 2,000 for this room, and you get 2 double beds. So it's actually a room for 4 people.
He's in his own bed tonight.
Mm.
I'm going to starfish out of this bed. We've got a kettle, 2 cups.
It's really nice. Got a bathroom there and a shower room on that side.
So yeah, separate toilet, shower, aircon,
TV, not bad.
car parking space, beach. It's a dream.
Yeah, it's a good little place.
Really nice. They said, Mum, the kitchen is round there if you want to cook. I was like, cook?
Mm-hmm.
Cook? I don't think this is a place for foreign tourists. This is definitely set up for like local tourism, like within the country tourism. So it explains that 2,000 per night and you get 2 double beds. You can fit about 6 people in this room.
Yeah.
So obviously, like, if it's not cheap if you're bringing that many people, but between 2 people it is quite a lot, because everywhere that we've been in the Philippines over the last 2 years, we spend on average around £7 to £11 a night, which is, what is that?
It's about, give or about 800, 900 pesos, 1,000 peso maybe per night.
Yeah, between
Roughly.
the 2 of us,
Yeah.
all the time. So to double that each per night is a lot for 2 people. But if you're going to pay 2,000 for a room, you need to get a nice one.
Indeed.
And we
Very
found a
true.
nice one, because this is the bomb.
The bomb. So, can we go down to the beach?
I went and had a look at the beach here, because we're literally on the beach, and it is the tide is right in, so there's like this much sand,
Ah.
so you can sit on the steps if you want.
As we was driving around everywhere though, they had a nice stretches of beach where it was like,
It's a white sand beach here. It's beautiful.
I might go and have a look.
Really nice. Go and have a look. It's really, really nice. But the tide is right in, so I'm not sure on what the times are, or if the tide even goes out, or I don't know. But you wanted us to come to Anda, so we came to Anda.
We're going to fly the drone off the roof.
We, as in you and the viewers.
Me and the guys.
I am not.
Basically, what she's saying is she's going to stay and play Candy Crush. That's basically what she's saying.
No, I'm not saying that. I'll follow you.
Really? Follow me where?
To the roof.
As if you ain't moving nowhere.
Yeah?
Nah. Right guys, so this is our place. It's lovely. It's huge. Huge. So let's go and have a look at this water. Because the water looks so clear, Cody said. Oh my god. She wasn't lying. Damn. Oh, this is like bath water. It's so warm. Anda has not disappointed me one bit. Literally like bath water, guys. So warm. What a place.
Pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same. Sink or we can swim, lose or we can win. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts. Forget about the end. We already gave in. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts.
I'll be honest guys, I'm ready to lay down and have a little power nap me.
Same.
Tired man.
This room is really nice. The bed is really comfy.
We keep saying it's really nice, you got to give them a tour. Seeing as you're sitting up, you're going to give the guys a tour. Tour the guys.
We don't need to tell them. So I think we're gonna do a little bit of editing, and then we're probably gonna just like shower, wash our clothes. We've got a shower, so we need to do that because we smell. Wash the rest of our clothes, hang them out to dry, and then tomorrow we're gonna spend the day on Tondol Beach. Tondol?
Tondol Beach.
Tondol?
So,
Tondol?
also, there is island hopping you can do here. But we have spent a small fortune already, with possible another fortune incoming to fix this camera or buy a new one. So we don't really have the funds right now to go and do an island hopping tour, unfortunately.
But we were discussing coming back. So if we do everything now, we'll have nothing to come back to. So you can do the 100 Islands tour from here, which we've already done. So that's fine. We're just missing, there's like a sandbar and then a couple of other islands that they take you to. So rather than do that now, we've only got one day here, one full day, which is tomorrow, and then we've got to go to Baguio because we've already booked our accommodation. So I think, I don't really know what else to say to you.
Should we put the telly on? Should we watch some? Have we got a kettle?
Yeah.
We need to get Milo, TV. If only we had Wi-Fi right now, life would be complete. Honestly. So this is like.
Put the aircon on full blast. It's cuddle weather.
We need to see if we can get this Wi-Fi going next door later.
Yeah, next door's Wi-Fi, but their rooms start at 2.5 or 3.5. So we were like, we're not paying 2.5 for two of us. So they've got Wi-Fi next door, so we're probably going to go there and eat, use their internet, and then come back here. So we'll let you know what that internet's like, because there's only two places that we found in this little like barangay that have internet. The other one internet isn't very good, so everything relies on next door. Keep your toes and fingers crossed for us.